Woke up early in the morning just to feel the light of day. Had to open up my window, get the shadows out my way. Banana pancakes for my problems.
Guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. Okay, so this is another day and here I am with another vlog. So today I am in a waterfall which is located in Old Bongaigaon. I haven't been here earlier, so I don't know how would it be, but I have heard and seen videos. It looks really beautiful. You can see this thing behind me, looks really nice, and there are my friends and my cousins. Yeah, quite excited. We have to go all the way from there, and there are like lots of people going already. More of like a picnic spot now. So yeah, we're gonna go and we'll see how would it be. We might swim also, let's see. Anyways, yeah, keep watching. Also, do not forget to give my video a thumbs up, and if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Yeah, and yeah, that's it. Alright then. All the way from there, and there's some shooting going on. It's between this way or this way, but they told they are here for shooting and we are going this way now. This way, yeah. Honestly, I never thought such place exists in my hometown. It's really nice. I mean, I feel like I'm going on some adventure, unexplored and adventure. वहाँ पर देख सकते हैं आप लोग, they are having picnic. So here it is. Got all drenched, but too fresh and so much fun. Now, how was it?
Super excited, please guys. आइए और नहा के जाएंगे.
साबुन लेके जरूर आइए. I haven't explored places, लेकिन लॉकडाउन में कितना घूम रहा है, कितना unexplored चीज एक्सप्लोर हो रहा है, कितने नहीं हो रहा है. I'm really happy. ऊपर से नेचर का बीच में, in the middle of the nature, it's very nice. Okay, so now me and my brother behind the camera, we just go up there. They're not gonna go because it's free plus it's book. But we are going because we are very sexy. Remember her last time? How's the George? Very low, very low.
But this time very high.
But still, let us go. Actually, it's scary though. But I just want to take some space, so we'll go up. We can actually go even more up, but we are not going because it's scary. But yeah, it's fine. I took some pictures. We are done now. We'll be going home in a while. So yeah, that's it. People are taking baths and we can go even more up. Yeah, hi. So we can go even more up, but I'm not. So this is the place we just spotted. Looks so nice. It's like a whole swimming pool. Yeah. my god, this is deep, like really deep. This is really deep. Guys, it's what? We came here around 1 o'clock. It's 3 p.m. now. We are going home now because we don't want to fall sick taking bath for long. I mean, being in the water for long. So we don't want to fall sick since Rona is going on. It's scary. But yeah, we had fun today. So we are in old Bongaigaon today, and this is a railway track, and we're gonna go have momos now. Yeah. And with my momos, I'm gonna take another plate. Taking one more plate. I'm also having momos after 7 months, I guess. I mean outside. Alright then, that's it for the video. I hope you guys had fun watching my video. Anyways, I'll see you all next week then. Bye, take care, love you.